Welcome to the second part of Sean's scratch coding lessons. Today, of course you know how to sign in, and let's try changing the sprite. Right? So, now, what if you don't want the cat? You can always bring new sprites, of course, you know that. Like I'll bring a ball. But then, I don't want the cat. So what? Here's how. I can right click on the cat, press delete. Then only the ball will appear. But you see, here, the ball is in the random coordinates. If you bring in a sprite, it usually goes to a random coordinate. So, in most games, they put this script. Okay, but I don't want just an yellow ball. So, I'm gonna go to costumes and I can choose all colors I want. Or I can put the switch costume to ball B or even next costume. Let's see how it'll work. No, first we have to make it go wait 1 second and repeat it forever. Okay, let's try. Quite nice. But there's nothing more than those colors, so let's try something else. How about we change the color effect by numbers? Let's try that. Then you can have multiple colors you never noticed before. Pretty cool, isn't it? By the way, maybe you want to switch costume to ball ball A, because this is the ball color and we want to start here. And the cool thing is you can also hide and show again. And here, you can also have a ghost effect. Let's try that. Here. Let's see what it'll look like. The ghost is appearing. See, it's getting more and more transparent. And now you cannot even see it. And sometimes you do not want to put forever. Let's repeat it 5 times and clear graphic effects and stop all things. Let's try. There. See? Cool. Now, we're gonna make the ball move randomly. Go to motions. I mean, it's all best to make another script. And I don't need this anymore. You learned in the last lesson, if you make a simple script like this, the ball will move 10 steps. And you can also make it go backward. Now, here is the cool thing. Let's say point direction 0 degrees. And let's see what happens. Wow. Did you see it move diagonally? No, it didn't. It's just so fast that you thought it was moving diagonally. You'll see it doesn't move diagonally if we put weight. Oh, and don't forget to go to x0, y0. Sorry. And I'll teach you a cool thing. You can make it follow your mouse pointer, this mouse pointer, by dragging the go to mouse pointer button. But why doesn't it follow me? Because you didn't put forever. If you didn't put forever, it means just go there once and the end. Let's try how it looks now. Oh. Okay. Now, let's bring in another sprite. I mean another ball. And let's delete the same costume because we don't want that one. And we're gonna delete these costumes because we don't need them. Okay, pretty cool, isn't it? Go back to scripts and let's make it move randomly. Like I said, go to operators. Bring in the move 10 steps. But you can actually pick random something in between. So I'm gonna choose this and I'm gonna put forever in it. Let's try. And the reason why this is moving vertically is because remember in the last script we put pointer direction 0 degrees. You might want to put pointer direction 90 degrees so it moves horizontally. And in the other ball script, let's copy this one. Actually, let's bring in 5 balls. Okay. Another ball. Another ball. And finally, one last ball. Here. Now, if we drag them to different places, and make different random numbers, let's try 50 to 50, and here 45 to 45, here 40 to 40, and here 35 to 35. Let's see what it'll look like. What? Oh. And by the way, you might want to cancel the move, go to X0, Y0. And finally, let's see what it'll look like. Haha. Quite funny. So now let's try to actually make a symptom of creating a game. Delete all scripts. And get a new script. Sorry again. And let's bring in our forever. And if then in the between. Now here, go to sensing and bring in key space pressed, and let's make it up arrow. Then change Y by 10. Let's try that. See, I'm pressing the up arrow key. It works. And you can bring that for every single arrow keys. I'll do that. And you want to change X by 10 because it might be actually looking in the other way. Let's try. Oh, yeah. And you can also move diagonally by just actually pressing 2 keys in one time. And Of course, Scratch lets you move all things in one script so there are less lines. Oh, less lines. And let's copy that to every script. Okay, now one last final try. Actually, you can combine them again, but you cannot separate them. Of course, you can change speed for each one because then it'll go all random. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Here. Sorry, I turned on caps lock. Okay, bye bye. If you like my video, please subscribe and give a like. Bye.